In this video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone alarm sound if it's too low, so you don't sleep through it again. Let's start inside the clock app. Open clock, go to alarm, and tap on the alarm that's too quiet. In my case, it's the 6:15 a.m. alarm. First thing to check is sound. Tap on sound and make sure it's not set to none. If it's set to none, you won't hear anything at all. Choose a ringtone that's loud and noticeable, then tap back and hit the check mark to save it. Next, we need to make sure your system volume isn't limiting the alarm. Open Settings and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Here, look for Ringtone and Alerts. Drag this slider all the way up. I also recommend turning on Change with buttons so you can control this volume using the physical volume buttons on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and look for Volume Limit or Reduce Loud Sounds. If you see a limit set, like 40% or 60%, turn it off so your alarm isn't being capped. There's one more important setting that often causes alarms to be quiet. Go back to the main settings screen and scroll down to Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down until you see Attention Aware Features. This setting can automatically lower alarm and alert volume if your iPhone thinks you're looking at the screen. Turn Attention Aware Features off. This ensures your alarm stays loud no matter what. After doing all of this, your alarm should now play at full volume. If this video helped you fix your alarm, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who keeps missing their alarms. We're a new YouTube channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.